Is there anything more here? Why is this flooded though? Oh, I turned on the lights. Okay. Yeah, I just can't. There's nothing more.
No! No! What is that?
Okay, no.
No. Oh, I blocked him. No! There's even more! Oh my gosh. The cow will be so big. No. No, I'm not good. And the golden apple. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Help me. Help me.
Oh, I actually saved you. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I was almost dying.
Bro,
Oh
I
my
saved you.
gosh.
Thank me later. Okay,
Oh my
okay, I think that's the sign to go home. Where are you? Can you come after me? Yeah, come with me. Ooh, there's even more. Bro, I just want to loot more, man. Yeah, okay.
Let's go home. Let's go home.
Yeah, I think we'll looted everything. Yeah, let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's go. Bro, oh, there's a thing behind you.
What?
Behind you, go. Oh my god. Okay, this is not enough storage. We need to dump some stuff in here. Okay. Well,
Yo, who's that?
I don't know.
Let's go
It's
down.
in the mine. Back in this time.
I just jumped down, bro.
What? I just saw you fly by. Whoa. Oh,
There's so many
watch out,
mobs.
the baby zombie!
Not the baby zombie, bro. Oh.
No. Your voice cut out there. What is that?
Hector Salamonkey.
What is that? What is that? No. No. What?
It almost blew.
What? I just heard a whisper.
Dude, there's so many.
Oh my god!
There's so many mobs.
Oh no! Fast! Go! Come! Go! Okay. No, what?
I'm poisoned.
I can see. Go deep. To put on our head.
Why is my sanity going down?
Your sanity is going down. How?
I don't know.
Put more light. You need more light. Is it going out now?
Nope.
Got my sanity back.
Never mind. Got some wood.
No. We probably are gonna die. Let's hope not.
It's a fucking zombie, bro. Let's see. He's in the lava. It's in the lava. He's in the lava. He's burning. Okay, I'm good.
Holy! What is that moan? What is that moan?
Why did he just said Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas?
I just like a oh.
It's summer.
Oh.
What? What? Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
No!
Ow. What is that? Oh.
Let me kill the witch.
That's actually something.
I got poison.
Let's see if I can parkour myself.
I have 30 seconds of poison. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna die, definitely. You're definitely gonna die. Okay. Liar. I'm just gonna leave that iron there because we got too much.
What is that? It's blocking our way home.
What? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, move your camera from him. Move your camera away. Move your camera away. Oh, okay. You gotta look at him. You gotta look at him to go away.
Hey, buddy, what's good? Hey, what's good, buddy? Oh, he's my friend now. He's my buddy. Bro. Oh,
Okay, well.
Too bad.
Bro, how much health does this guy have?
This guy is the final boss.
Oh.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
Okay. Well, that was not so scary
Okay.
so far.
Well.
Let's go this way. Oh! Uh-oh! Whoa! Watch out! Watch out!
The Yeti's here, bro. He just jump scared the heck out of me.
Okay.
Oh, he's still on me. Bro. He's the one who watches. He's the one who watches. Hello. The one who watches, bro. Oh, he's so fast.
So much flying!
Dude, he's so fast.
Well, what the hell is this?
Nah.
Oh no! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I'm going back up my sanity
What is
back.
that? No! I need to get out of here! No! Okay, let's just stay here so we get our sanity back. Yeah.
My sanity is going down.
Yeah, my sanity is what? My sanity is going down as well. What? Yo, do we have any flowers? We need flowers fast. Do we have any flowers, bro? No, I gotta check upstairs. Bro, why is my sanity going down? Oh, flowers! I got flowers. Come here.
You got
Yo,
flowers?
take this. Yeah. I don't know from where, but I don't care.
Oh, garland.
Yeah, girlland, and you put that on your head.
It's still going down.
Oh yeah, let's sleep.
Sleep.
Yeah. Okay,
My sanity is
back
so back right now. Okay, this is
Okay, we
good.
good. Okay, so do you wanna go try get obsidian from somewhere else?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should probably find a what's it called? Lava lake. Bro, he's coming! Oh, he's slow. Okay.
He's stuck in the snow. Hey, let me go meet him, bro.
Stuck in the washing machine.
Hey, what's good? Oh, he's stuck in the snow.
No, poor him.
So bad.
Let me get a llama sword as
That's
well.
a skill issue.
Kill issue. Okay.
Where is it?
Okay, let's go. Let's go get obsidian, bro.
Oh, he's gone.
Let's go get obsidian.
The midnight lurker is gone.
I bet none of us.
Hector Salamonkey!
Where are you?
We are too slow.
What
What was that? Was that a
That was a
tiger?
bear! That was
Yo,
a bear!
let me see.
Yeah, let's go. Oh,
That's a
bear!
tiger.
Oh, that's a tiger, bro! Oh.
Oh, there's a village.
Ooh. This is a cool village. Okay, let's
Yeah,
just
let's
make
break in,
ourselves
let's just
entrance.
steal everything.
Everything was gone in less than 5 seconds. Okay.
Ooh, wood. Furnace. Let me take everything. I do not need fish. What is that?
Oh, that's a cat.
Oh, this is the structure from the spawn. From the first episode, like the beginning.
What? The citadel?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me see. Where? Oh, I got carrots. Okay. Oh yeah, I see you. Ooh.
I hear Hector Salamanca.
I hear Hector Salamanca as well.
Okay, let's go in now.
Okay, let's go in now. Oh! Holy bro, that let me get the angle. Bro, do I hear Hector Salamanca, bro? What? Oh no! Oh no! Bro! Warden, bro! The Warden spawned. Uh-oh. No. No.
Where's the warden?
That's the what?
There's no. Oh.
What does it? What? Oh! Yo! Ah!
Where you at?
Oh, yeah, here.
I got no boots. My boots broke.
Yeah, let me go get
Yeah,
some
let me
more
make some
books.
boots. There's 3 iron.
Is there?
Yeah, look.
Look?
Never mind. Not 3 iron.
Okay. Yo, can
Okay,
you
my
sleep?
sanity is
Sleep?
already going
Can you
down.
sleep? Can you sleep?
Sanity is going down, bro.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Oh no. The creature spawned.
Bro, sleep.
The creature spawned, bro.
What picture, bro?
The red dweller.
What? Where?
I don't know. I just got darkness and that's the sign it spawned.
Where you at?
Where's the bed? I need a bed. Right here. No, no.
What?
I'm half heart. I'm half a heart. No.
What? What? Are you screaming? I don't see anyone.
It's behind the house. It pushed me down and I clutched.
Where?
Oh, I told you. I told
But
you.
so it wasn't a black figure? Oh, I
Red,
see. Okay.
black figure.
Yeah, okay, okay. Let's just dip. Let's just dip.
Dude,
Oh, yeah.
I need my sanity back.
Let's go sleep then. Let's go sleep then. Go sleep. Watch out
What a
for.
strange feeling.
Bro, okay. I
Sleep,
got the beds. I
sleep,
got the beds.
sleep,
Take.
There's monsters nearby.
Bro. What's that?
What is that? It's on me. It's on me. It's on me.
Bro, I can see.
Kill him.
Oh, I can't hit him. Oh, boy, I can't. Oh, what is this? Who's this guy?
Jeff the killer.
Good morning, everybody. Okay.
Finally.
Do you have the boat?
Finally.
Do you have the boat?
I do have
You
a
have the
boat. In
Okay,
fact,
put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
let's go. Let's keep
Just
going.
go. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Spirit
Just
is
go.
trash.
Go. Doom. Oh! Bro, is there anything out here?
What is that?
Whoa!
Ooh, yo, what is this?
Oh, whoa! What is this? Whoa!
Give me your stuff.
Yeah, there's so much stuff here, bro. Wow.
Where's my boat? Give me my boat. Dude, where's my boat? Oh. Okay.
Where's my boat? Touch. Oh, I fell to that powder snow, bro.
Not my problem.
Okay, I'm good. Yeah, oh, there's a big tree here. Let's see.
I see a big tree.
Yee! Oh, whoa. Where's that? Let's go to the campfire song. Whoa. Oh no. Okay, no. No.
Another ship.
What is that? Bro, get in. Bro, get in.
Look at him. He's so slow.
Bro, get in.
He's stuck in the powder snow. He fell in the powder snow.
Where? Okay, let's go find something. Whoa! What is that? Whoa! Do you see the white thing flying?
I see.
Oh, there's Techno. How about
Yo, what is that?
What?
Look, come here.
Bro, it's a Steve. Oh! Oh! Oh la la! It's a Steve, bro. Oh, it's a bear! It's a freaking bear!
Bear.
Bear, yeah, bear.
Oh, bear! There's a tower.
Where?
Wait,
Oh yeah,
what?
oh yeah, I see it.
What is
Yeah, I
happening?
see it. Whoa!
What is that?
What is that? What is that? What's going on? Bro! There's no cop!
Where is it?
Okay, don't cut. Bro, I'm at a big. Oh, what is that? Bro, I'm at the big tower.
Let me go.
Oh, Bro, this is a nice place.
Or what are you?
I put my Minecraft bed next to you. Bro, I need help. I jumped. No, big mistake.
I
Bro,
jumped
where you
too.
at? You good? Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'm
There's a
good.
shipwreck here. Come here, come here, come here. There's a shipwreck.
Where? It's another tower right there.
I see you, bro. Holy. Bro, we need to
I
add,
do not see you, my friend.
add like a kiss mode or some stuff. What? What is that? Oh, bro, nah, nice try, nice try. So, we're still hunting for... What? You good? Bro,
I'm not gonna say anything.
yo,
Oh, damn.
let's explore this.
Let's get in.
this?
Let's go straight in. Yeah. Oh, I'm going
How
straight
there's
in.
snow? What is this?
Enchanting.
Yaba!
Oh, there's
Give
so
me-
much coal in the furnaces.
Wait, really? Where?
Oh, a stack of charcoal. Damn.
Ooh. Okay, what's up here? Oh,
Chests.
returning board.
Odobasian.
Yeah, Odobasian, let's go.
Hey, bro.
Check this out.
Oh,
Hey,
what
Yeti,
is
bro.
this?
Oh, pillagers. What is that? Oh,
No pillagers.
pillager.
Bro, there's full of mobs.
Barry! Oroho!
The mob. I'm not.
Bro, I'm 1.5 hearts, bro. What the heck?
What is that? Not the powder snow, man.
Where,
killing me. No, help.
What?
The midnight
Where?
lurker is following me.
Oh
No,
my god. Bro, no.
no.
Oh, there's a
No!
Salamanca behind. Bro. No. Bro.
Oh, he's stuck in
Bro.
the. He's stuck in the snow again.
Bro.
No.
Hector.
No, bro.
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 Oh.
No.
What?
Oh my god.
What? No way.
No way.
What? What?
Nah, there's no way.
Nah, there's no way. Oh,
My boots.
bro, my
Let's
boots.
go.
Bro.
This is gonna take so long, bro.
My brother.
My brother. Now I have 10. I mean 9.
Bro. Oh yeah. Okay. That's good.
Hector Salamonki.
Oh yeah, but Dr. Dugari.
Oh,
Holy.
Oh, the Jeff the Killer. It's
Oh. Okay. Good.
okay.
Okay. Go sleep.
Let's go sleep.
Okay, let's go sleep.
Go sleep, my man.
You good?
My bed just got blown by Hector Salamanca. No, man, come on.
Uh-oh. Bro. Go.
Yo, watch this.
Way to go, bro.
It was good.
No, bro, we need to go, bro.
Where's home?
What? Yeah, home should be straight away.
I see the
Straight
campfire.
ahead. Oh, I see a campfire. Is this home?
Probably.
Can't tell.
Oh,
Home! Let's go! Bro, home! Oh
Oh,
my god!
let's go.
Oh my god, home sweet home, bro.
Ah.
Back at it again. Okay, I
So
wanna go.
good.
I spin you right round, baby, right round. You spin me 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 right round, baby, right round.
What is he doing? He's crazy. He's crazy, bro. He's crazy.
Alright. Well,
Ah,
what?
I think you don't want to come outside.
What? What do you mean? Ooh! What is that?
Wait, what?
Is that?
No! No!
Whoa! What is
Bro,
that?
help. Bro, I need help. Bro,
Why?
he took me. Bro, he took me with him.
There's a Hector Salamanca.
He took me with him, bro.
Where? Oh, I
I
see him.
don't know.
Bro, where are you going?
Dude, now
I'm
where
going,
is he
I'm coming, I'm
going?
coming. Bro, where are you going, bro? What? Oh, I don't have food, I'm gonna die.
Oh, I can leave.
Bro.
I can
Where?
leave.
What
Dude,
do you mean you can leave?
I can't leave. I can't leave. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
No, 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 no,
No, no. No, there's the window. No, 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 no.